guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you a week in my life as architecture student. If you guys ready to see it, let's get started. This is the studio for architecture student, and you can spend all your time here. It's basically just called our second home. For design class is to make a model. So right now I'm gonna go get some material at Golden Harris, which is the shop for architecture students that you can buy like material for your model, and it's near our school, so let's go there together. This store sells all kinds of architecture material like timber, cardboard, or whatever you want. They all have here like clay, marker, anything you need for architecture and for your model. They got anything there. When we have to go to workshop and make some interesting model with like material.
I don't want to go to the workshop to be honest. Have you gone and learned something machine?
I never touch anything in
Oh really? I've learned something machine.
Let's go get some drink from vending machine, and my favorite one is like the orange juice. And then it's gonna be lunchtime. I basically like to watch K-drama while I'm eating lunchtime. Yeah, just relaxing a little bit while eating our lunch. Continue doing the tree from the copper wire just for my model. Right now I'm gonna go get some coffee. I came to studio almost every day for some week because I prefer to stay in studio and doing some work rather than just going to other places. So each student got one locker and you can put whatever stuff you want. It's like kind of big. You can even put like pillow or blanket if you want to, but I already just put my material for my model and my previous model for my previous task, so I just keep it in there. This is the lecture room for technology and sustainability class. So I finished class at 1 and I have 2 hours free until my next class that starts at 3, and I'm gonna eat something with my friend Jocelyn. She in my last video, and we're gonna go eat something together. Okay, let's go.
我今天跟 Grace 一起去吃中餐，现在我们准备开吃。这个是生煎包，然后这个是馄饨，这个是牛肉面。我们现在开始吃了。
So we basically just finished eating our lunchtime and we're just walking around the park. And we just came to this tree to take some good photos.
It's so nice. Oh,
we do have a lot of photos. And we're gonna take the annoying girl.
Oh.
Give me your phone!
Give me back my phone, come on.
Oh, coming. Oh! Show me.
Yeah, that's nice.
Ah, this looks cute.
Bye bye. See ya.
Things that, you know, they're all similar in size, so it's easy to just sort of tell how big it is relative to the background.
Hi guys, this is Alina. And this is Jalen. Okay guys, let's cheers up. Cheers! Okay guys, thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.